Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Watercolor with me, Shyre May, here at Krate. And today we are going to paint a very simple cactus, and with this you can make all kinds of different styles and colors, and we can make one mega one like this. So without further ado, get your things ready and let's start creating. So first of all, I'm gonna get everything ready and I'm gonna sketch the cactus out. You can do any kind of sketching, but I'm just gonna have a very simple one with two sides and a flower and a pot. Now what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna erase the whole thing so that the sketch will come out without the outline of the paper. I'm going to take the lightest color and put it at the side which I think the light is from. And I can use any kind of greens to just blend it in while it's wet, so it's a wet on wet technique, and add darker color to the side. Now allow it to blend and really have fun with this process. Let it flow and let it blend, and this is your first layer done. Gonna wash the brush and dry it. While waiting for it to dry, I'm going to simply outline a stripe pot. Next, I am choosing a correct color, or the right color I feel that would be good to draw the cactus's highlights. So it's easier for me to just flip it over, and all you need to do is just draw lines, and you might need practice at first, but it's actually really fun. While it's still wet, get a darker color to make the outline pop even more. Do the second layer. Then add the flower. I'm just going to add the base color with a tinge of yellow. And once it's dry, we're going to put on the spikes of the cactus. And it's pretty simple. Just draw sort of like a cross in the middle of the lines that you have just colored. And again, using dark colors to create more definition. And there we go, a simple watercolor cactus. Now if you don't have watercolor, you can just use whatever that's lying around, including Buncho paints. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to paint anything else, please comment below, and I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!